Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I've just put up another chart up on our screen. So there's 4 questions that I want you to ask yourselves about this chart. Number 1, what trade is this possibly setting up for it to be? Is this a regular moving average trade? Number 2, where exactly on this chart would you enter this trade? Number 3, where would you put your stop order on this trade? And number 4, what would your profit target be on this trade? Take a couple minutes and try to figure this out on your own. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. This was indeed a chart of a regular moving average trade. We're watching this stock, and the stock is Amgen. And we watched this stock go from $178, come down to our 65 EMA this time, not to 200, and that's fine. This stock just went down $2, exactly hit our 65 EMA at 176.50. Yes, this is a regular moving average trade. We would enter this trade with a limit order on our 65 EMA at $176.50. On a $176 stop, we'd have a stop between 50 cents and $1. So let's say we put our stop at 176. We're going to risk 50 cents on this trade. What would our profit target be? It's a $177 stock. We would look to make $1 profit on this trade. We enter 176.50. Our profit target should be 177.50. And we can see within the next 15 minutes or so, it exactly hit our profit target, and we would have made $1 on that trade. Again, regular moving average trade. Hits our 65 EMA. Buy, stop order, profit target. And that is a perfect example of a regular moving average trade. Well, let's move on to our next trade.